Yeah. You are watching JNC's Corner.
And guys, we just arrived in Montenegro. We're just approaching the pier. So, ayan yung isang cruise palabas na. Si Kolokoy, nandun na siya, Ayan siya, Ayan, nakaputi. Gusto niya daw makita kasi yung pagdak. Busy, busy siya sa kakabidyo. He doesn't answer the phone. So we're getting ready and we're going to have our breakfast. And this is Kotor, Montenegro. So parang katulad din siya ng Croatia, yung itsura niya. I guess it's because they are just near each other. Siguro nag-ikot lang kami. So, bali guys, we are in the middle. So, kailangan pa ng parang ferry boat bago pumunta ng land. So, anyway, we're going to have breakfast first. Okay, let's go guys. Let's go to the dining. Today is Wednesday. Come on, operator. Hurry up. Oh. Look, there's another cruise there. Yeah, another cruise. Okay, the same JC, the same spot. Ayan. Third day na. Mga nasa 40s to, Okay, so we're going to get our ticket to go out.
Few moments later.
Finally, we managed to go into the ferry boat and we are going to the mainland.
More moments later.
So, nakadaon na kami dito sa land. Ayun yung aming boat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Dito na kami sa Montenegro. Ayan guys, Prueba, Montenegro. Picture muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! So, hintayin muna namin yung mga kasama namin kasi sa iba silang boat. Ayan yung boat namin, nandun kasi siya sa gitna kasi mayroong nakaano dito, daong sa gilid, kaya doon siya sa gitna. Ito yung mga bahay, ang ganda tingnan. Going to exit na here on the pier. So we're here in the Old Town City Wall. Magki-cable daw kami, so mag-taxi na lang.
A few moments later.
Pabalik-balik kami dahil sa taxi. Walang makuhang taxi. Yan, sunod na kami na sunod ni JC.
More moments later.
This is the best thing. How long drive? 20 minutes from here.
Siksikan lang. Ayan siksikan.
Oh yeah. Nice. And also this is the old town of Paris. Also on the beginning this is the production.
Traffic pala dito sa Montenegro. Kotor City in Montenegro. Busy yung kabilang road. Matinera. ticket. So, dalawang cable car para sa amin.
Okay, bye-bye!
Bye! Oh, wow!
Wow, this
Ah, yeah.
Why is the freaking fish?
on the side.
Why is it creaking so much? I don't like that.
I'm about to park.
Baka mamaya ikaw ang mag-park dyan. Nandun pala yung airport nila. Our ship is.
It looks like Croatia.
Look, that's the one in the middle.
Bro, we're literally in the middle of the ocean.
Yeah.
Why is it in the middle of the ocean? You see it?
Grabe na
can put here.
Ayaw stiff.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan o. Taas na o.
Why? So
Ooh.
Why is it so hot?
Good morning.
Ayan.
Just put it on the shade.
Ito, nice view here.
Who farted?
Ayan, ang gagating na.
You like it?
Station from the top. Oh, you can feel the shaky of the So, habang papataas kami guys, nakakalula na pero ang ganda ng mga tanawin sa baba. Nakakatuwang tingnan. Ayan o. Yan yung Pucor City.
Wow!
Ayan.
Baka may kanyan, tiger.
Ayan na.
Or
Napaka-stiff.
snow bear. Or
Grabe o. Very
mammoth.
stiff.
The mammoth. Tiger.
We like taking vlogs.
Amazing.
Are these first? Oh, no wonder it's so
Ito, amaze na amaze talaga siya. Oh. Sino pa? Okay, we're here in the end. Finally. Ready guys? Oh, so shaky. Did you enjoy, Kuya? After several minutes, nakarating na rin yung mga adults. So, nag-ikot-ikot na ng konti and me and JC went to the resting area. Ayan, may mga chairs sila dito. Oh. Yan lang sa tabi siya ng cable car. So, dahil mararamdaman mo pa rin yung init, kahit medyo malamig siya, so we decided to stay here in the shade. Maganda dito kasi malamig siya. Para siyang Baguio, guys. Pag sa baba ka, napakainit. But when we reach here on the top, napakalamig. Pero ayaw ko pa rin magbabad sa araw. So, dito lang kami ni JC. Opo. Samantala, yung iba, ayun, nag-i-enjoy sa taking pictures. So, ayan, nanonood na lang kami. We're going back now, guys. So, just here for like 30 minutes. Kasi nga yung taxi namin nag-aantay. Ayan, nag-enjoy na kami dito sa taas. Bababa na kami. Ayan, nauna na ang mga matatanda. Mga bata naman ang nahuhuli. Okay, let's go in. Yun, naramdaman ko yung wind, yung blow ng wind. Bababa na kami. So far not too bad. Hindi naman siya, madandahan lang. Okay. Ano? Mararamdaman mo yung ayan, mararamdaman mo yung nakakalula. Ano, ang haba na ng tinravel namin. Ayan, nakikita na namin yung bababaan namin. Oh! Mahangin dito sa paa namin banda. How I wish yung weather yung doon sa taas. Ganun din dito sa baba. Kaya napansin, nandito na kami. Hey, JC! Come out! After this, we decided to go to the old town. And
Where is the end?
dinadaanan namin parang zigzag. Parang bituka ng ano pala. Ano? Ay, ikot-ikot. Oh, look, she's sleeping now, oh. Okay, since we're going to the old town, so I'll just give you a bit of a history. It is the most famous part of Couture, where the Couture history, culture, and traditions are being preserved. Its beauty is complemented with the multitude of narrow streets, squares, and markets. The old nucleus of Couture today is considered to be the best preserved medieval urban entity in the Mediterranean. Okay, let's go to the old town.
Oh, gara. Ipray ka na.
Dito na kami sa loob ng old town. Meron silang ano, ayan, gripo. Free water. Tura ng old town nila. Ang tataas ng building, tapos ang sisikip ng daanan. Old Town Hostel in Couture. Thank you. So hot, guys, so have ice cream here to refresh us. Kikita naming building kanina sa labas. Parang Venice daw ito. Daw parang marketplace nila. Ayan. This building is 1166. More kainan here. Pumunta tayo dito sa souvenir shop. Malamig-lamig tayo. Hindi lang traffic ang kalsada, pati yung daanan ng tao pala traffic yan. Daming tao. Oh my God! We find a way out. Oh, dito na kami sa labas. Buti na lang. Ang hirap din makanap ng exit. Ayan yung isang ship, Marilla Explorer 2. Ayan, maraming turista din, oh. Tulad din namin, nag-excursion.
Oh, wow!
Ayan. Information Center. Ayan na sila, oh. What did you buy? Bracelet. 1944 pala ito, oh. 21 September 1944. Itinatag itong ano na to building. Wow! Ganda ng palm tree, oh. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng ano niya, oh, kulay.
Oh yes.
Dito kami lumabas kanina, so babalik na kami ngayon sa aming cruise. Bye Montenegro. Ayan, time to go na. Ayan, goodbye na talaga. Oh. Sigat na towel, Jay-Z.
Maligayang pagbabalik po.
Wipe your face, Casey.
Nang sasakyan namin open space naman ngayon. Kanina close.
We hope you had a great day today in Koto.
Yes.
I know the ladies had a great day. Shopping spree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the way along. At the end, the big house with the blue banner. That's the aquarium of Koto.
Lunch? Okay. Okay, let's go in.
More moments later.
So we're going to the bow wherein it's the head of the ship where we can have a good look of the scenery, and this is the time when the ship are going to go around. So this is the bow, yung uso ng ng ship. So ito siya. Ayan, dito yung makikita yung bow. So we're moving now to our next destination. Nakakatuwa kasi ang daming tao nung nanonood. Ang ganda ng mountain, Ate. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ng mountain. Rocky Mountain.
A few moments later.
Ito lang yung taco bar. Eat all you can for tacos. Okay, I will try it, guys. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm back to our cabin, and here I am watching the video from the camera of the front bow. So nakikita yan si ate, nakikita ko rin sila dyan while I am enjoying my tacos.
Yummy.
At sa pagod, nakatulog na itong si JC. So, I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video and you have learned something from it. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more awesome travel tips. And also visit us at www.jnccorner.com. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!